Hi everyone, welcome to our webinar today, Keys to Homeownership. My name is Tanya Industrious. I'm the Homeownership Coordinator, Head of Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority. I also have with me Ms. Risa Sasso, who is the Homeownership Coordinator 3. As you guys know, we are in June, which is Housing Month for the Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority. I want to thank you for attending this webinar as we will be presenting on the Keys to Homeownership. This will be our 4th webinar and our last webinar for this month. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Keys to home ownership. Okay, why you want to buy a house? Some of the reasons are it meets your housing needs, pride and independence, a place to settle down. It's a very good investment and one of the biggest investments you'll ever make in your life. You have tax benefits and it allows you to build equity. Some advantages of home ownership. You have improved self-worth. It provides stability. It builds equity. It's a good, safe investment. You get mortgage interest and property taxes are tax deductible, and you can achieve that American dream of owning your own home. Some of the disadvantages, you cannot walk away from your payments or it will lead to foreclosure, which will cause you to lose your home. Insurance is your responsibility. Insurance is a very, very big thing. As you guys see, we went through 2 Category 5 hurricanes back in 2017, and a lot of people didn't have insurance. Insurance, I recommend, do get that insurance. It will save you in the long run. Also, it's your responsibility to maintain your home. Not just get a home, but also maintain at home. Chat question. Why do you want to buy a house? You can go ahead in the chat question section of the screen and you can type in why do you want to buy a house? I give you 5 seconds. Anybody answer? You can unmute yourself.
Okay, some people are saying rent is high. Rather invest in what is mine than pay rent, correct? Those are some example.
Okay.
Reasons.
That's good. Okay, we'll continue. The 5 M's of home ownership. Master your money, maintain good credit. Good credit. The starting score right now we have here at Housing Finance is 620, but every lender differs because like for different other programs, some are 640 and higher. So good credit is very important. Minimize your debts. As you guys learned in the other webinars, student loan is one of the major debts that we are seeing with a lot of clients that's coming in here. Minimize those debts as much as you can. Even though the student loans may be deferred, if you could go ahead and pay them in a meanwhile, try and pay them with a $5 a pay period, $10 a pay period. It helps your debts. Next, maximize your savings. You need savings because when you're purchasing a home, you have a lot of costs, you have a lot of upfront costs, you have closing costs, you have different kind of costs. Maximize those savings as much as you can. Also, monitor your progress. Any questions? Okay. All right. Preparation checklist. Get educated about the process. Check your credit history. I will stress this a lot. Somebody unmute again, feedback. Okay, check your credit history. I would advise you to get a free annual credit report at least once a year and see if everything in the credit report is for you. If it's not for you, you can go to the credit bureaus and you can fight it and get anything removed that needs to be removed. Also, prepare your budget. A budget is very important, as you can see. That would let you see where your money is being spent versus your savings and how you can minimize and increase your savings to be able to purchase this home. Get pre-qualified with a lender. That's a very important thing to do. That way you can know your status, whether you need to minimize your debts, increase your income, maybe earn another job, or find different ways to increase that income so you'll be able to be qualified for a home. Know what's in your contract. Know what's in a contract from page to page. Seek legal advice if needed. That's my recommendation. Don't just go and sign on the dotted line because they tell you to sign. The 4 C's of credit. We have capacity, which is your current income, your income history, and any amount that you owe. Capital, that's like your down payment, your closing costs, your loan fees, and if you have to move, moving expenses. Your credit history, that's your payment history, which could be like your student loans, any credit cards, any debts that you have. That's what we call the credit history. And then collateral, is the house what you are paying for, is it really worth it or not? VIHFA eligibility requirements. To be eligible for our program, an applicant must be a first-time home buyer, a resident of the territory for the past 3 years. The way we verify that residency is we ask for your 3-year stamp tax income returns, be able to obtain a priority status with VIHFA, able to meet the income requirements of VIHFA. For St. Croix, the maximum income is $192,150. For St. Thomas, $215,600. For St. John, $231,700. Once you fall below these income brackets, you'll be able to qualify for our program. If you exceed it, then we will have to send you to maybe another lender, such as the bank or another lender out there that will be able to assist you with purchasing your home. Also, you have to be mortgage ready. To be mortgage ready, your income have to be 620 or higher. Your debts, you can have no past due, no delinquents account. If you do come in and you have delinquents accounts, what I will do is once I pre-qualify you, I will let you know what accounts you have, and then I will refer you to counseling with Ms. Sasso, and she'll work with you one-on-one to rectify anything so you can become mortgage ready. Your income is very important. As you know, if you're looking to purchase a home, you have to have a job. That way we can be able to see if you can be able to, how much home you can actually afford based on your income. Also for income, we count stuff such as social security benefits, child support once it's on a consistent basis. Any kind of income for the household, all of that is counted to pre-qualify you. Your credit score must be 620 and above for us. If you're going to other lenders, like I said, some are 640 and higher, so I was only 620. And savings, you must have at least $15,000 saved for closing costs. How to apply? You can get the application package either online or in person, or you can even call the office and we'll be sure to email it to you. The application fee is $100. That $100 includes you being registered. Once you submit everything, you'll be registered for the next home buyers class. The next one is starting in September. We're doing it virtually on Wednesdays from 6 to 8. Or if you are not able to do the class virtually, we also offer it online for additional $99 on our website at vihfa.gov, and you can go through eHome America and then gather all the required documents, such as your recent check stubs, your job letter, your last 3 years filed income taxes on your W-2s, picture IDs, social security cards, and for case the paper, if you're in military, we need your DD-214, and then we'll go ahead from there with you. Once you submit everything, then the pre-qualification process starts. All right, local financing options. Conventional loans with local lenders, you have 20% down payment, no income limits, and the loan is processed and approved in-house. FHA, which is the Federal Housing Administration, they require 3 to 5% down payment. VA, which is the Veterans Administration, 100% financing, and it's for veterans only. So they don't, if they decide they want to come and purchase something, they don't have to put nothing down. It's their option. And then we have USDA Rural Development. They offer 100% financing. They also have the direct program, which is RD only. And then they have the guarantee program where you approve through a lending institution. Right now, I think only Banco Popular is the ones that are working with us with that program. And for them, the credit score must be 640 and above. VIHFA housing opportunities. Some of the programs we have are the homestead loan program, the veteran loan program, the lot sale program, and also our home program. The Homestead Loan Program. This provides residents with mortgage assistance to purchase or build a first house or to acquire land for the purpose of building a first home. The program allows existing homeowners the opportunity to improve or repair their primary residence. Primary or secondary financing is available to qualified buyers. Okay, the homestead loan features. For land, the maximum amount that we can finance a piece of land for is for $50,000 with a fixed rate of 10-year terms. The home, the maximum loan amount is $220,000 for a 30-year term. And for home improvement, the maximum loan amount is $40,000 for 10 years. The Veterans Loan Program. This program is for eligible veteran applicants who are entitled to various benefits, such as 25% discount on application fees. So instead of paying $100, they only pay $75. And then 25% of our developments are set aside for veterans as well. And they also get a fixed interest rate not to exceed more than 6% on their loans. The Lot Sale Program. This provides first-time home buyers with opportunity to purchase land which is owned by the authority. The program also provides the financing for land sold by the authority as well as for lots sold on the open market if funding permits. 10% down payment is required. How this works is if you find a piece of land, what you'll do is probably go like to Banco Popular, and let's say the land costs $60,000 and they only are giving you $30,000, an additional $30,000. You can come to us and see we're able to assist you, and we go that way. 10% down payment. So if the land, normally with our land, what we do is like right now in Nazareth, our land will appraise maybe for like $70,000 to $80,000. So what you do is you put on 10%, which would be $7,000 to $8,000 plus any upfront fees, and that's how our program starts. A quarter acre lots financing available for 10-year term, and the maximum loan amount is $50,000, but it's sold at the full appraisal value. The Home Program. The Home Program is a federally funded program administered by the Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority. This program is utilized by the authority as a means of providing financing to very low and low income households, and eligible families can qualify for assistance to purchase or build a home. For the Home Program, assistance is available in the form of gap financing. Gap financing is where we provide secondary financing to bring the mortgage down to an affordable level. We offer a down payment and closing cost assistance, and the dollar amount given is based on the need in the form of a grant not to exceed 75% and a loan of at least 25%. Some of the services we offer here at VIHFA: mortgage origination, the in-house financing, closing cost assistance, the home buyer education and counseling, personalized debt, credit, and debt management counseling. Chat question: do you feel that one or more of the services offered by VIHFA could help you? If so, which one? Go ahead and write your answers in the chat box question. We have a mortgage origination, in-house financing, closing cost assistance, the home buyer education and counseling, personalized debt, credit, and debt management counseling. I give you 5 seconds to go ahead and answer that question for me, please. Unmute.
Okay, someone said home buyers education and counseling, all of the above. Okay, so we do have some more response. Personalized budget, credit, and debt, all of the above.
Okay, so since you feel like you could use some of these services, you can reach out to myself or any one of the home ownership coordinators. I'll give you our contact information at the end, and then we'll be able to assist you if anything you need. Upcoming housing developments. Developments in St. Croix, we have Bon Esperance. They have land and home. As you can see, Bon Esperance, their lots start at $18,000 and up. and their homes start at 179,780. In Mount Pleasant, they also have lots for 22,000 and up, and their homes is 178,000 and up. In Estate Nazareth and St. Thomas, we have lots. Well, we don't have lots at this time, but we have some upcoming lots. They normally starts at 70,000 and up. Then we have Whispering Hills. We will have some homes coming up, and Fortuna, we will have some homes coming up as well. As you can see, St. Croix versus St. Thomas is a big difference in purchasing land. St. Croix is way cheaper. So if you're a St. Thomas client and you would like to move over to St. Croix, we can transfer your file from St. Thomas to St. Croix, and you can relocate over there if you choose. Or if you want to be from St. Croix to St. Thomas, you can send your file over here as well. Whichever one is comfortable with you, you could go ahead and you could transfer your file over there. Homeownership responsibilities. Once you become a homeowner, it is your responsibility to 1, make those monthly mortgage payments, ensure the home is adequately insured, pay the property taxes on that home, repair and maintain the home, and become actively involved in a homeowners association. In all of our developments, we normally set a homeowners association where you guys determine what you want for your different developments. That you come to an agreement and set up, that way we will have an active association for every homeowner that have a say. Whether you purchase land or home, you have a say in what goes on in a development. Chat question. And now that we have saw this presentation, are you sure you're ready to buy a house, or do you need a little more time to purchase that home that you want?
You see. I don't get any response so far.
Okay, since nobody don't have the response, I'll leave you think about it. I know it was a whole lot of information that came into this, so I will let you think about it. Maybe need a little more time, maybe to prepare your budget or repair your credit or whichever one you need. That's fine with us. You could always do it, and then you can contact us. All right, thank you for joining us today. As you guys know, tomorrow we will be at the St. Croix Educational Complex, where we will have the job fair for VI Housing Months. And also on the 24th, Thursday the 24th, we'll be at Tutu Park Mall from 10 to 2 at both locations. And then for the job fair, there's also the Have It Live on Facebook, the 22nd St. Croix Educational Complex from 10 to 2. Starts at 10 a.m. and the Facebook live streaming, it will be live at 10 o'clock. And for the next home buyers class, that is slated to start in September. For you to be in that class, you have to turn in all your documents to us. And once you turn in all your documents, your whole application package, then we would sign you up for the next class. Seats are limited, so first come, first serve. If you don't get in that class, then you have to wait till January when the next class starts. All right, where to get more information? Our office in St. Thomas is located at 3202 the Marara Frenchtown Plaza. You can call us at 777-4432 or the fax number 775-7913. Or in St. Croix at the Fritz Lewis Complex, Frederickstead, St. Croix, 772-4432, or the fax 772-4002. And our homeownership coordinators, we have Ms. Risa Sasso. You can reach at rsasso@vihfa.gov, Mr. Rodney Paris at rparis@vihfa.gov, myself at tindustrious@vihfa.gov, or Ms. Safia Farley at sfarley@vihfa.gov. Any questions?
Okay, we have a question. Someone is asking if you have to have a green card. A US citizen? I don't understand the question. Do you have to have a green card?
We mean if you have to be a US citizen of the Virgin Islands?
I could unmute my mic.
Go ahead, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I was just wanting to find out, in order for you to purchase a land in Virgin Islands, if you have to be a permanent resident, or if you have to be a permanent resident
Well, basically with that, what you have to do, did you file your taxes for the last 3 years in the Virgin Islands?
Yes, I did.
So you don't have like a driver's license or a passport for the VI?
Yeah, I have my driver's license,
We could use
passport.
it. We could use that for now. Yeah, we could use that for now.
All right, thank you for the
Because it will
clarification.
show that you have residency here in the VI.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Any more questions?
I don't see any more questions at this moment.
All right, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I'll see you guys at the job fair tomorrow in St. Croix and then Thursday in St. Thomas. Any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to any of us. We will assist you with any questions you may have about home ownership or any of the services we have. Thank you very much for joining today and have a good day.